Behind every glorious triumph of a team are individual stories of sacrifices and challenges, struggles that have helped form the character and grit of these athletes.
Struggle siguro sa nung college kasi parang need mo i-balance yung oras talaga, yung sa pag-aaral and sa training, sa mga tournaments. And ngayon naman siguro sa national team na siguro yung yung iba-iba kasi yung pinag-trainingan namin so parang yung training venue talaga yung kailangan namin, mga ganun.
For me po, yung commitment po namin sa training na pag napapalayo kami sa family namin, na magbababol kami. Lalo na po ako, naging tatay po ako eh. Nung the day na nag-bronze kami nung first leg sa 4th CB League, the next day po, lumabas na yung baby ko.
Siguro, ang dami ko na sinacrifice eh. Isa dyan yung family ko na nasa Palawan sila ngayon, tapos ako nasa Manila. Yung pag-aaral ko, na minsan di na nakaka-attend dahil dala ng pagod. And syempre, yung katawan. Sobrang pagod, minsan nakakalimutan na kumain. And yung time na dapat nanalaan ko sa mga loved ones ko, di ko na nagagawa. And ayun, lahat naman nagiging worth it pag nakuha namin yung goal namin ay yung goal ko. Ayun.
Despite numerous challenges, Alas Pilipinas works tirelessly to overcome limitations. The demands of collegiate competitions and limited training time, among many others, have all taken a toll on the players. But despite these, they remain committed and steadfast to bring pride to the Philippines.
Team namin is magtagumpay po sa lahat ng challenges na darating sa buhay as a team. Gusto ko po na kami pa rin hanggang sa uli. And lastly po, we'll make you proud, Pilipinas.
Gusto ko rin sana mas tumaas yung world rank namin and makapag-gold kami sa SEA Games and makapag-Olympics yung team namin. Yun naman yung pinaka-ultimate goal ng team namin. Kaya kahit na ang daming masakit sa katawan, ko pa rin lang to para sa Pilipinas.
So what my goal is to teach them how to improve, is to teach them how to play better, is to teach them what they can do in their life to be a good player, not only a good player but also a good person.
Alas Pilipinas embodies the fighting spirit of the Filipino. Beyond volleyball, beyond sports.